how to change Google language from Hausa to English or from any other languages to English. So before proceeding further, just to make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so that you will receive all my latest update. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the first thing you have to do is open up your Google Chrome and then click on your search bar and then type CHROME Chrome and then colon and then / and then setting ACTTINGS settings and then hit enter button. Once you hit enter button, as you will able to see the sidebar, okay, sidebar of your Google Chrome. You just click on the sidebar logo here, and then what you have to do is you have to go to the advanced setting. Even though you do not understand the language showing up on your Google Chrome, you can follow this procedure and then you'll be able to change your language from any languages to English. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to select this option. As you can see, this is the advanced button. Once you click there, you have to select this option. As you can see the logo, okay, if you don't understand the language, you just recognize the logo and then proceed further. So you have to click on this globe button. So once you click there, you'll be able to see the advanced option here. What you have to do is click on the top button. This is the language button. Click over here and then you can see there are the languages listed what I have selected previously. So now this is the add language button. Okay, this is the add language button. Once you click here, you'll get all the languages available on your Google Chrome. So what you have to do is type English, ENGLISH, and then you can select your English, whatever you prefer. English, Australia, Canada, South Africa, New Zealand, United Kingdom. So I have already selected United States, so it is not showing up here. So what I'll do is I'll select Australia and then I'll click over here. You have to click here, okay? This is OK button. So once you click there, what you have to do is I have selected this one, okay? English, Australia. So now click on the 3-dot button and then what you have to do is mark this button, Google Chrome, show up Google Chrome, okay? So once you click there and then you have to launch this language, okay? You click over here. Once you click there, Google Chrome will reopen and then your entire languages will be reset into English language. As you can see, your language is now English Australia. And then now you click here and then you select the language, whichever you prefer, United States or any other languages. So this is how you can change Google language from any languages to English language. So guys, I hope this video helps you a lot. If it helps you, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Till then, bye bye.